So today I'll show you how to connect your Razer BlackShark V2 Pros to any smart TV. So this is very simple, especially because these headphones come with a dongle basically. Okay, so this is a receiver dongle, and you should be able to plug this in to a USB port on the back of your TV. Now, most smart TVs are going to have USB ports at the back, so just find one port and plug that receiver in there, and then turn on your headphones in case they're not already on. Now you'll see that light blinking a couple of times, and when it's green and steady like that, it means it's connected. Simple as that. You can even go to your TV's sound output settings just to confirm that you have the headphones as the sound output device. So for this particular one, if I just go to sound output, you can actually see that the Razer BlackShark V2 Pros are the sound output device. Okay, simple as that. Thanks for watching and good luck.